to 21 to take the wheels off. We jacked it up at the midpoint. Right there, as you can tell. Sure, we jacked up, got both wheels off the ground. He's taking the wheels off. Now, I'm going to get a flathead screwdriver. It's going to be a short one. Okay. Now, for this one, bro, those brakes are under the car over there. Yeah. Could you grab those? Yeah. All we need is a flathead, short one, and you put it. You can see right there in between the pad and the rotor. In between the pad and the rotor. And we feed it in there. We pry back, and it pushes that piston back. Then we take our ratchet, and I believe it's going to be a 14. Keep an eye on him. And we're going to loosen the bottom bolt. Take the bottom bolt out. Slide this up and pull the piston out, or the caliper. See, the piston is all the way back, and pull her rear pads out. They're halfway used. And we get the new brakes from Advanced Auto Parts. We match up. Obviously that's not going to work, so I need the other pad. Where's he at? Come here. We put this on the back side. Do this one on the front side. Get off of there. Where's he at?
Don't worry about that.
Okay. Then we slide the caliper back in there. We slide it down. Oh, and we put the bolt in, the guide pin, and we tighten it down, and we go to the other side. Okay, praise God. Now, get our hammer, our flathead, our ratchet, and our camera. Come to the other side. First things first is to seek God's will for your life. Surrender your life to Jesus, and then work on cars.
Follow the road. Not the road.
Pry that back.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey, sugars.
Daddy, you want some doo-doo? You want some of my doo-doo, Dada?
Not yet, sugars. Thank you.
Okay. If you want some, tell me.
Okay, I will. Pull that bolt out, slide that up. Gonna sit over here, pull her rear brakes off. Get the new brakes. Stay right there.
Daddy. I'm hot.
I know you are.
Why you don't want the van on?
down in there.
No, go in there.
That there.
Are you almost done, Dada?
Yep. Tighten that down. Okay. Then we put the wheel on.
Put the wheel on.
Brought to you by the best mobile tech here in Nashville, Tennessee.